Hey, just wanted to make a video threading together some different meals that I've been making lately. Basically 3 courses a day, breakfast, dinner, and dessert. And using the food combining principles imperfectly. Been coming up with some new stuff, cooking eggs here in beef tallow or coconut oil has been really successful in different ways. And I'm also onto the wild rice over here, even though it takes longer. It takes 45 minutes to simmer, but it's a good way to get the purple. They got some purple stuff in there and gets the purple uh, phytonutrients going. And yeah, I'll just put a list of, well, not a list, but after this I'm going to basically take us back in time through some of the daily meals that I've been making. Enjoy. Dinner. Figured out a pretty cool way to do leftovers. Scrambled eggs and leftovers, and cook it like that. Been pretty good these last couple of weeks. Yeah. Got some dessert, a little parfait, Manuka honey for sweet, A2 organic, quattratini. Dessert, parfait with coffee, a little Manuka, a little bit of breakfast. Dinner. Breakfast. Dinner. Breakfast. Dinner. Dessert. Dinner. Dinner. Supper. Dinner salad. Dinner. Dessert. Dinner. Dinner. Just steaming the rainbow chard all at once, from a fresh thing to a steamed thing. Keeps for a good day. Plus, it's really tasty. Dinner. Dessert. Dinner. Dessert. Switching over to the black rice, which is actually purple. Use a purple in there. Give that a try, see what that's like. Dinner.